as the birthday of our friend, Miss Rini Catania. So, magbingo na karon. So, sa letrang B, birthday na ng blessing!
Yay!
So, guys, let's see. Happy birthday. So, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, birthday to you.
Hello guys, good evening everybody. Everyone.
I think for me, it's a 10 over 10.
Yes!
Yes.
Pero I think mas suitable ka sa ibang coach, kaya pass na lang muna.
Here we go, guys. The blowing of the candles. No comments.
Follow mo ang ating...
Wait. Mag-blow man tayo ng candles. Hindi naman yan maano.
Ay, live ko na lang na yan. Kay murag dagan kayo. So, ano? Puro na doha.
Hala!
Ano na naking? Apa may cooking?
Ang lamig ng ano.
Cooking. Yan lang.
Filter.
Happy birthday, Ren.
Live na, ma?
Yes, live. Ay, thank you the 100 viewers.
Thank you for the 100 viewers, guys.
Ay, pag-message mo ni Ren.
Bang. Yan na
So,
yan.
kung may una nakahawit sa mic, sa Lucerne family now.
Go mga special Bicol Express from Bicolana. Special pagsibihon from Cagayan de Oro City. Happy birthday to you. Ay, manok may baboy.
Purus ng bubok.
Panganta na mo kay.
Dali.
Dili mo ko mulingkot. Nag-ano arman ko. Oh.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sige. Okay.
Isa aesthetic.
Happy birthday!
Yay! Okay na?